paper, scissors, a glue stick, dental floss, colored markers, a Sharpie, a straw cut in half, a pencil, a ruler, and some tape. Step 1. Pick out your color scheme. Choose 4 different colors of construction paper. Step 2. We're going to cut out the colored paper into diamonds. So first, fold the construction paper in half. Along the folded side, cut 3 triangles. Oh, and each triangle's base should be 1 centimeter long. Use a pencil to trace the first triangle you cut to keep uniformity. Repeat this step for each color of construction paper. You should have 3 triangles per different color of construction paper. Step 3. Tie one end of the dental floss to the top of one piece of the straw. Then tie the other end of dental floss to the other piece of straw. Tape the string in place. Step 4. You should have 12 triangles, 3 triangles per color of construction paper. Once you've cut out your triangles in different colored construction paper, hang them on the 16 inches of dental floss in alternating colors. Step 5. Once you're satisfied with how the triangles are positioned, glue each one down with your glue stick. Step 6. Decorate each triangle with different patterns of your choosing. Make sure you pick very light colors so they don't look muddy or too dark. If the triangles are decorated too darkly, the letters you're about to write on top later won't show up as much. Step 7. Use a black marker or Sharpie to write one letter on each triangle spelling Happy New Year. Step 8. Stick this banner by the straw pieces into the top of a dessert and enjoy!